By 2026, the whole game around college degrees could be completely different. So, what degrees are actually going to land you a great career in India? We're about to break down the top 5 that will matter most, and we're going to skip the hype and give you a real roadmap for what's coming.
Okay, but first, let's ask a pretty tough question. You put in all this work, all this money. Is your degree actually going to be worth anything when you graduate? Well, the data tells a story that might just surprise you.
Okay, just picture this. 2 students, both get a computer science degree. Same 4 years, same subjects. The one from IIT Delhi, they start out making around 34 lakhs. But the one from, let's say, a less famous institute, they might only be making 3 or 4 lakhs. That's a 10x difference for the exact same degree on paper. It's wild.
And it's not even just about the money. Corporate reports have this one number that is just staggering: 58%. That's how many engineering grads in India are considered unemployable. Just let that sink in for a second. Companies are saying that even if they train them, more than half of these graduates just can't do the job. So this gets to the heart of the problem, what I call the degree devaluation. And look, this isn't as simple as good college versus bad college. It's a huge shift in what companies actually want, and it's totally redefining what a valuable degree even means. What this all points to is a massive change. We're moving away from a world where your degree was your ticket to one where your skills are everything. I mean, get this. 30% of Indian companies are now just straight up removing degree requirements from their job postings. They don't care as much about the piece of paper. They care about what you can do. So with that in mind, let's dive into the degrees that are still super powerful precisely because they're linked to these in-demand skills.
All right, kicking off our countdown at number 5 is the language of the modern world. We're talking math, statistics, and data. Now, a lot of people think AI is going to make these jobs disappear. But here's the thing. Every single AI system, every algorithm, it's all built on the foundation of math. It's not going anywhere. And the career path here, it's pretty clear. And yeah, very lucrative. You could start as a data analyst, making maybe 6 to 8 lakhs. Then you move up to data scientist, you're looking at 15 to 25 lakhs. And if you add some machine learning skills to your toolkit, you could be pulling in 30 to 40 lakhs a year. The way in is usually through degrees like a B.Tech in data science or a BSc in statistics. But I gotta warn you, you absolutely have to love numbers to make it in this field. It's non-negotiable.
All right, coming in at number 4, we've got specialized business and finance degrees. And I need to be super clear about this. I'm not talking about your general BCom or BBA. We're talking about the elite, high-impact qualifications that are pretty much automation-proof.
Think about a specialized MBA that's tied to a specific industry, like finance, analytics, or even healthcare management. Or those heavy-hitter professional qualifications like CA and CFA. These jobs require a level of strategic thinking and judgment that, honestly, AI just can't copy, at least not anytime soon.
But listen, there's a huge warning that comes with this one. When it comes to business degrees, the institution is everything. An MBA from a top 15 school in India, we're talking the IIMs, ISB, FMS, that can set you up for life. But an MBA from a so-so business school, it can be a massive waste of your time and money and just leave you with a low-paying job and a career that goes nowhere.
Okay, at number 3, we have the engineering degree. But this is not your parents' engineering degree. Those old school safe streams like mechanical or civil, that's not where the real demand is anymore. There's a whole new frontier that's opened up.
The real action, the real excitement is in the fields that are literally building our future. Electrical and electronics engineering, it's absolutely exploding thanks to semiconductors and electric vehicles. Aerospace is another one that's super hot right now with India's space tech scene really taking off. And of course, computer science is still a king. But, and this is a big but, only if you're getting that degree from a top-tier institution.
All right, time for the top 2. These last 2, they're basically the essential pillars of a modern, growing economy, and the demand for them is just through the roof.
So our runner-up at number 2 is law. In the crazy, complex world of corporations and tech that we live in today, the need for smart, sharp lawyers has never, ever been higher. And you guessed it, just like with business and engineering, the college you go to, like one of the national law schools, is absolutely crucial.
So where exactly is all this demand coming from? Well, for one, India's startup scene is booming, and they all need lawyers. Then you've got brand new fields popping up like legal tech, think AI contracts, blockchain, data privacy. And as the economy keeps growing, you're going to see more companies merging and acquiring each other, and they'll need expert lawyers for that too. Bottom line, lawyers are essential, whether times are good or bad. And that brings us to the #1 most valuable degree in India for 2026. It's healthcare. This is the one field where that human touch is just irreplaceable. Sure, an AI can look at an X-ray, but it can't perform surgery. It can't diagnose a really complex case, and it definitely can't provide that hands-on patient care. Seriously, applied healthcare is one of the most automation-proof careers you could possibly choose.
Getting your MBBS is really just the beginning. The real value, the real money, is in specialization. We're talking about those high-stakes fields like cardiology and neurosurgery. But the opportunities are actually really broad. Other roles like nursing are in huge demand all over the world. And as the whole industry gets bigger, jobs in healthcare management are becoming more and more important.
So, okay, we've just gone through the top 5 degrees, but there's something, a principle, that's actually way more important than which specific course you pick. This is like the ultimate filter you should use for making any career decision.
Okay, here it is, the single most important filter for your career. The institution you go to matters more than the course you study. Why? Simple. The environment you're in, the people you meet, the opportunities you get exposed to during those college years, that stuff will completely shape the entire path of your career. Let me tell you a quick but really powerful true story to illustrate this. So the goal was simple. Get into Delhi University's North Campus, not for a specific course, but for the environment. So the choice was this. Take a top course like BCom honors at a pretty average college, or take a less prestigious course, a BA Pass, but at Miranda House, one of the absolute best colleges in the country. The decision was made. Prioritize the institution. And that choice, it led to an incredible atmosphere, a network that opened up a whole world of possibilities. It just proved how powerful your environment truly is.
Okay, so where are these top degrees from top colleges going to be the most valuable? This chart lays it all out. You're looking at semiconductors, electric vehicles, and green energy, space tech, cybersecurity, fintech, and of course, healthcare. If you can line up your education with one of these high-growth areas, you're setting yourself up for a really powerful career.
Now, I know exactly what a lot of you are probably thinking right now. Getting into one of these top-tier colleges is insanely hard, right? Most people don't make it. So does that mean your career is over before it starts? No, absolutely not. Even if you can't change your physical location, you can 100% change who you spend your time with online. Get online. Jump into platforms like Reddit or Twitter and find global communities of people who are into the same things you are. In those online spaces, nobody gives a damn about your college's ranking. All they care about are your skills and what you bring to the table. You can literally build your own world-class network right from your bedroom.
And that really leaves us with one last big question for you to think about. As we're all looking ahead to 2026 and beyond, ask yourself this. Are you actively building a career based on real, in-demand skills? Or are you just kind of passively collecting a degree? Because the answer to that question, that's what's going to define your future.